Do you ever get confused between some and any? You are not alone. Many English learners mix them up, but the rules are actually super simple. In this short video, I'll show you exactly when to use each word in positive sentences, negatives, and questions so you never get it wrong. The basic rule: both some and any mean we are talking about an unspecified amount. We don't know the exact number or quantity. For example, if I say, I have some biscuits, I am not telling you how many biscuits, just more than zero. The difference is all about the type of sentence you are making. Some is usually used in positive sentences when something exists or happens. Any is usually used in negative sentences and in questions when you are talking about zero or asking if something exists. We use some in positive sentences. That means when we are saying something exists or happens. Think of it in this way. If the answer is a happy yes, some is usually your word. For example, I have some friends in New York. Yes, I have friends there. She bought some apples at the market. Yes, she bought apples. Notice that some sounds friendly and neutral. It doesn't tell you the exact amount, but it's clear it's more than zero. We use any in negative sentences when we mean zero or none. Think of it this way. If the answer is a clear no, then any is the word you need. For example, I don't have any money. That means zero money. They didn't eat any pizza. Zero pizza. Maybe they were not hungry. So, in negative sentences, any helps make it 100% clear that the amount is nothing at all. In questions, we usually use any when we are just asking for information. For example, do you have any siblings? I want to know if the number is zero or more. Is there any milk in the fridge? I'm checking if milk exists there. But here's the special case. When you are offering something or asking politely for something, we often use some instead. Would you like some tea? I am offering you tea. Could I have some water, please? I am politely requesting water. So, remember, normal question, any, offer or request, some. Quick comparison. Here's the rule in one simple chart. Positive sentences use some. I have some books. She wants some tea. Negative sentences use any. I don't have any books. She doesn't want any tea. Questions usually use any. Do you have any books? But remember our exception. For offers and polite requests, use some. Would you like some tea? Screenshot this chart so you can remember the rule anytime you need it. Alright, your turn to practice. I'll say a sentence with a blank. You say your answer before I reveal it. Ready? Number 1. I don't have dash bread. The answer is any. I don't have any bread. Number 2. Can I have dash sugar, please? Can I have some sugar, please? Because it's a polite request. Number 3. There aren't dash chairs in the room. The answer is any. Negative sentence. They aren't any chairs in the room. Number 4. I have dash good news. Some. I have some good news. Positive sentence. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. So remember, some for positives, any for negatives, and most questions. Except when offering or requesting politely, then use some. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English. And don't forget to comment with your own example sentences. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.